Right, welcome back everybody to another video in the polytunnel. There's not going to be a lot of work going on today. It's a bit of a mail call and to see what's been going on this week. We've had a few changes going on at home. We've had to have a new boiler fitted and we're going to have a few adaptations in my youngest daughter Olivia's bedroom. She's got to have a new bathroom fitted. So we've been up in the air doing stuff at home as well. But I've had a bit of a mail call come in, so we're going to do a bit of mail call and see where we are with the projects that we've got. So let's take a look and see what we've got. First of all, I've got to say a big thank you to Reese Hill. You know who you are, Reese. He bought me some hacksaw blades off my Amazon wish list. I haven't got them here to show you, but you'll know what a hacksaw blade is. He bought me a pack of 10, I think it was, and I've already used them at home, so that's why I've not got them here with me. So they've come in really handy just at the right time, Reese, so thanks a lot for that. We've also had a few stickers come in. We've got 3T's bacon butties. We'll stick one of them on the sticker board. He just sent them to my dad and my dad's just passed them on to me, so let's get one of these on the board. This is going to be the new board for the polytunnel, so we'll just put you up there and you're next to Steve the transit camper. So thank you very much. We've also got another little parcel here coming, and that's for Nev Shack Tinkering Taylor. A lot of you know Nev anyway, so we're going to put his sticker up here, and all these links to these channels will be left in the description on this video. So let's get you there, Nev. So we're getting started, and he actually sent me another envelope here, and that's just another one for my dad, so I'll pass that on, Nev. Thank you very much. And then we've got one more here, and this has a little note in it. My new sticker, could you please pass one on to your dad as well, thank you. And that's from AJP Ashley at Gardens Machinery, and that's his new sticker. I have got his old sticker on my sticker board in the shed at home, so I'm going to put the new one in here on this one. So there you go, Ash, that's up there. So I've got another one there. I'll put that in this envelope from my dad. So he's got a couple of stickers there, so keep an eye out for them on his channel. So let's just put them there a minute. Well, as you can remember, these have actually been sandblasted and powder coated, and they have come up fantastic. But what I forgot to realise was the other side casing is actually plastic, and you can see the slight difference in that. And obviously I can't powder coat this being plastic, because it won't go in the oven, it'll melt basically. So what I could leave it like that, because you wouldn't see, if you looked at it from one side it'll be that colour, and looked at it from the other side, but I'm not about that. If I'm doing it, I want it done right. So I am going to have to strip this back again, and I'm going to end up getting the original colour paint for this, so I can do it all in the matching colour. So I mean, this is a nice colour, and it was a new colour where we tried in the powder coating, but if I could have done this side I would have done, but obviously being plastic it won't work, so that is going to have to be stripped back along with the housing there. So not a big issue, it's got to be done right. So that's another little thing I just wanted to show you. So we've still got the head and the barrel there, that's still got to be done. There's plenty to do on here still. We've still got the engine under here, that's still got to be cleaned down and prepped, ready to get a lick of paint on that. We've still got all the bits over here to sort out. I've got the clocks there, still need sorting out. I've got the new backing for them, wiring loom, the radiator housing's got to be all stripped down and powder coated. I'll probably end up getting some new hoses. We've still got the swinging arm here, main frames there. There's the bits that we done last week, and I've got a load of new parts here all in there and a load down here. Let's just take a look at a few of the things that I've been buying. So what we've got here is my tape I actually bought to do the wiring looms, and on that video that I mentioned that about, someone actually said, why don't you try this, and which I didn't think about really. Let me just open this. And what this is, I think I've actually gone too big on it, the size really. but I can always get a bit smaller. And what that is heat shrink. That'll make a tidier job of that. Obviously you put your loom through there and you just warm it up and shrink it, and I say it'll be watertight then, so I might give that a go actually. I've got that to fall back on, but I do quite like the idea of that, keep it watertight and protect the wires from rubbing and all that. So yeah, thanks for that. I can't remember who said it, but thank you very much. I've been buying obviously new hoses, as you can see. There's just untold new bits here. That's the new sight glass for the master cylinder. So as you can see, the colour difference in that to that, and that one's all, it's cracking where it's just old basically, so big difference in that. So that's going to come in handy. And there's so much stuff I've been buying, I can't remember what I've been buying. Some breather hose, so we've got an exhaust gasket there, and we've got gasket seals, O-rings. We've just got plenty of stuff here. We've got a tool here that'll take the flywheel off, so that'll go onto there. So it's just a little tool there, we've got that now. Oh, that's the master cylinder rebuild kit there. So that's got everything in there that we need, as you can see. So we can get that rebuilt. And there's a few more things in there. Oh, that's the top gasket. As you remember, our one was totally crudded up, so it's a new one there. Yeah, I think this was just basically the kit for the master cylinder, so that's going to come in handy. And we've also got, and what we've got here is a full gasket kit. So it's got your head gasket, it's actually got an exhaust gasket there, so I didn't need to buy that. But I did actually buy this after I bought the exhaust gasket, so not a biggie, we got a spare. And it's got all the other gaskets in there I need, so it's even got the reed gasket there, as you can see. And the reason I've started buying all this now is so I don't get to a stage where I need to head gasket and then I've got to wait to order it. It's there so we can attack it straight away. There will be bits that I've forgotten, no doubt. But, so yeah, I've had a bit of a, not a week off, but probably like a week off of doing bike stuff. So I've had a few projects on at home. I had dentist yesterday and I'm having a root canal done, so it's an hour procedure that, and it's 3 appointments. So when I finished with it last night, I got home and I had a bit of headache after all that drilling and all that. So today I don't feel like doing nothing. It's Friday today, and you'll be watching this video Saturday, which is tomorrow obviously. So yeah, I'm not feeling it today to get out here and do nothing on the bike, but I thought I still want to chuck you out a video, so I thought I'd come down and show you, do the mail call, show you the bits I've been buying, and just have a look what we're doing here. What we'll do now is we'll just head back home and we'll have a look at what I've been doing in Olivia's room and what's been going on at home. So let's head back home now. Also, before we go, we had this come in last week, I think now, maybe coming up to 2 weeks this has been in. You might have seen it in one of the videos in the background. It is the McAllister, it's got the 148cc engine on it, Briggs Classic. It's all there, it's fully complete, the body's in good nick, it just wants a good clean. It's a self-drive, but it's just missing the self-drive handle, so I'll source one of them. I don't think I've got one in stock, so I will have to have a look around for one of them. Let's say we had a big clear out, I think it might have been back end of last year now, at my dad's. We got rid of all the stuff and we're just going to start afresh. I've probably got about 3 or 4 mowers at home, and I've got this one, so I've probably only got about 4 or 5 mowers in total, I think. But we've still got a lot of projects. I've got these mowers, we've got the TZR, we've got the 3 other bikes out there, we've got the mobility scooter. So there's plenty of stuff to be getting on with, but it's just one thing at a time. I just thought I'd show you that before we went home. So let's get off. And I'll just say, just before we go, if you haven't checked these channels out already, there will be a link in the description below. Go over and say hello to them, watch the videos, and say that we sent you across. And I say the links will be in the description below. Right, so you can see I'm back home now, and this is the boiler we've had put in. It's an Ideal Logic Combi C30 boiler. And what they come with now, let me just get you in there. What they come with now, this ain't finished, don't worry about that wiring. This, apparently there's a little gauge that's got to be fitted here, digital gauge for a thermostat sort of thing. So that's a different job. The plumber don't do the electric, so the electrician will be here on Monday. So But now they stick these little canisters on, and there's like a magnetic filter in there, and that basically collects all the rubbish that's going around the system before it goes through your radiators. Apparently, so I'm led to believe. I don't know. I've never come across these before, but this is what they're doing now. So yeah, they clean them out on the yearly service. So this is the main unit. And I'll say this is what they're going to be putting in on the wall. As you can see, that one at the back there, I believe is what gets wired up to the boiler in the kitchen, and then you've got your mobile thermostat there. So there you go. Let's go and take a look in the Olivia's room, what we've been doing in there. Right then, so this is what we've built this week. All this has come out of her bathroom because we're having a new bathroom fitted in there. It's got to be adapted. She's got to have a high, low-rise bath. Just makes it easier to get her in and out of the bath. So built all this week. My dad come out me hang the cupboards on the wall. We've got a new little workbench here where we have to draw up her medication and all that, and where the nurses work when they come in on a daily basis. So let's take a look in the bathroom and see what's come out of there. Right, as you can see, there's stuff everywhere in here at the minute. It's because, so we're in the middle of changing it around, but all these units here, all that's got to go basically, because there'll be a new bath literally taking up this whole bathroom, and it'll have to come this way because it's a really big bath. So basically all that's going to be enough room for in here is the adapted bath and a little sink basin where we can wash our syringes and stuff. So everything else has got to go, hence the new workstation in our main bedroom. Right, so it's a bit of a different outro today. We're all in it. So yeah, it's a bit of a different outro today. We've all come in to say goodbye. So we've got a busy few weeks ahead going with the adaptation of the bathroom. But I just thought I'd bring you a little video today just to show you what's been going on this week. So say the links in the description for all the stickers today that I've shown on the board. And thanks again to everyone that has bought something off the wish list. Really appreciate it. It all goes back into the channel. So until next time, we'll see you about.
Bye. Bye. Bye.